This is the home screen of the application. Quite a lot of templates which you can use as it relates to you creating your flyer. You have business templates, as you can see here by the top. You can see a lot of categories which you can choose from. You have Thanksgiving templates which you can use. You have festival templates which you can use. As you can see here, all you have to do is pretty much scroll and look for what you want. And as well, you can go ahead and search for what you want by just tapping on the search icon down here and search for anything that you want. So you can, even a logo template you can find on this application here, as you can see, quite a lot of logo templates which you can find. And all you have to do is just scroll down for what you want. You also get to select the aspect ratio of the image. Only 2 options though. But you do get these 2 options which you can use. Some of them you may need the pro or subscription to get access to these templates. So do keep in mind with that. So if I go back here, you can see here the home section. Also you have the category section here. As you can see here, a lot of templates which you can find as well. So let's say you're ready to create your flyer. Look for what you want, you have found what you want. All you have to do is just tap on one of these. It will show you an ads. Just watch out the ads and you're pretty much good to go. So it will take a while. So once ads is finished, as you can see here, you can go ahead and tap on the edit option and pretty much edit the template to your liking. So it's just that simple to use. Nothing hard for you to understand, as you can see here. Once it's loaded, you have different options or different tools which you can use as it relates to editing your template. Some of these tools, as you can see here, will require you pro subscription or subscription, so do keep that in mind. And once you pretty much finish editing your flyer here, all you have to do is just tap on the save option. And do keep in mind you can edit these things as well. As you can see here, you can pretty much edit everything on the flyer. So yeah, once you're finished, you just tap on the save option here, and that's pretty much it. So here you can pretty much select as it relates to the format and the quality. And as you can see here, some of these features here will require you a subscription. So if you don't have a subscription, you won't be able to see in HD. So that's pretty much it. And let's say you don't want to edit anymore, all of you just tap on the R icon here and tap on this card, and you're pretty much good to go. If you want to save it for later use, you can add it to the draft option, and you can just tap that over here. And that's really pretty much it. And here you pretty much can go and get the premium subscription. Tap on the premium upgrade option here, as you can see their prices and everything that you'll be getting as it relates to their subscription and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much, very easy to use. And over the My Design section, this is pretty much where you will find the draft option. As you can see here, all your unedited or unfinished edits will be over here. And pretty much the recent edit that you'll be trying to edit, whatever the case is, will go over here as well. And also designs that you have added. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. And if you're going to create your own as well, you can just tap on the create option here to create your template, your flyer from scratch. You can see here a lot of other options which you can use. You have the remove background to get your image creation started. You have other templates which you can create. You have other stuff which you can create. You can create YouTube thumbnail, you can create Facebook flyer, not Facebook flyer, Facebook cover, and Snapchat, all those types of stuff as well. So very good application. And if I miss anything at all, comment below. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.